no? So those devotees of the Blessed Virgin Mary, no? So maapot nga tangya kada ko lang yung pangalan nga na, no? So these are titles, no? Manlain-lain na titulo, but they refer to one person. No, the Blessed Virgin Mary has many titles. No, we have our very own degree sa satuyang diocese ng Our Lady of Salvation. No, and then there is the parish where I am staying today. No, so Our Lady of Fatima. No, and then this one. No, because the Blessed Virgin Mary appeared to many persons. No. And then this appearance sa mga apparitions, no. So maybe gayon din sa rong topic tadig di sa satuyang Hello Fathers, yan ang mga private revelations, no. So ang private revelations po bako po siya basta-basta lang piga piga approve, no. It undergoes many investigations from the church, no. So piga kang diocese, and that apparition is being also endorsed to the Vatican, whether it has a true supernatural, no, supernatural cause, supernatural na pinanghalian, no. So there is kaya minsan ang kung sisay man ang pinagpahilingan undergoes in psychiatric interview, psychological interview, and of course ining mga investigations, no, because siyempre kaipuhan nat kasi malay mo sometimes it's just a bogus, we may say, no, but if it is truly an authentic it as a supernatural origin, no, and then but the Vatican, sabi ko, that's what I've said earlier, does not immediately approve on this. There are, that's what I've said, there are investigations residing this to really see to it that truly indeed, no. And then this Our Lady of Fatima and some apparitions have these causes, have this approval from the Vatican. Na so makatiwala, mabalik tabi kita pagkatapos ni nagkapirang paisi. Ang programang Hello Fathers ngunya na Martes, petsa 1 kan bulan na Hulyo. Kalibog. Hulyo. No? So next week, no, so magkakaigwa po, so those devotees of Our Lady of Fatima, and of course siyempre sabi ko nga ni Kalbago, there is a connection, no, between Fatima and Pontevedra, because she appeared in also same person, no. Si Lucia was part of the three, no, so duman sa Fatima, Portugal, and when she entered this congregation in Pontevedra, no, so the Blessed Virgin Mary appeared to her, and yun mas pigpar girumdum so devotion every first Saturday of the month. No, so though di sa to sa diocese, no, we are also having the devotion to Our Lady of Salvation every Saturday. Matara mga parokya. Makalibong na ngayon ako na. So, tinawan mo pong schedule. No? So, of course, first Saturday is devoted to Our Lady of Fatima. Na? So, the Our Lady of Salvation may be recite. Ini po, so big question kaya sa kuya. Paano ngayon na igwa ngayon devotion? Igwa ngayon. So, the Saturdays na, other Saturdays na Mayo, no, so we have the 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and sometimes 5th. Of course, sabi ko kasi bago, the first Saturday is devoted to Our Lady of Fatima. No, so in the afternoon, you can have the novena to Our Lady of Salvation, no, sa parokya nindo. So it can be morning and afternoon, no? And on the rest of the Saturdays of the month, no, na wara kitang pigdedebosyonan, because according to liturgical calendar, no, igwa every Saturday is devoted to the Blessed Virgin Mary, especially when there are no other celebrations. No, sa liturgical calendar baga, syempre, minsan may mga solemnities, may mga fiesta kay ibang santo that falls on a Saturday. No? So, but if there are there is no celebration, no, there is no solemnity, or there is no saint that is remembered, every Saturday is a Saturday devoted to the Blessed Virgin Mary, no. So but with us we have different titles, no. So first Saturday we devoted to Our Lady of Fatima, And on other Saturdays, no, pagirumdum po yan sa mga parokyeta, we devoted to Our Lady of Salvation, especially ang ikatulong Sabado. No, because siyempre we are patterning it to the diocesan feast every third Saturday of August. No, but sabi again, I'll repeat it. If there are no Marian devotions being prayed, we can pray every Saturday, morning mass and afternoon mass, the devotion to Our Lady of Salvation. If if there are no other, kasi baka may mag-question naman ngayon sa kung nagtarang may si Father, pero ito po, no, may pigtaram akong if, kung mayo ning ibang titulo. Ano ba kami sa Santo Domingo? Kaito, no? So, first Saturday is Our Lady of Fatima. Second Saturday is Our Lady of Consolacion. No? Our Lady of Consolation. The third and fourth is devoted to Our Lady of Salvation. But every afternoon, no, ang hapon-hapon na hapon-hapon, bago ang misa, yaon man giraray ang pagdebosyon kay Our Lady of Salvation. No? So, yan. Maski po yan, papigaan po na maski po sa mga barangay, pwede naman po yan i-cascade. No, especially ang pagirumdum ko sa mga PCWs, no, and the Barangay Commission on Worship while waiting for the priest. No, pag Sabado baga po may mga barangay masses, may nagkapirang barangay na may misa pag Sabado. No, so while waiting for the priest, habang naghahalap kan mga tao, no, pwede po magnobena, magpamibi kan debosyon, no, kang debosyon sa Our Lady of Salvation, no? So danay na debosyon, so every Saturday pwede po inihap sa mga barangay, no? And sabi ko nga minsan bako Sabado basta may regular mass sa barangay, kasi may mga barangay baga po na ang regular mass nila is on a weekday, no? So while waiting for the priest, we are to pray this devotional prayer to Our Lady of Salvation. This is way of introducing, no? Paagi man yan kang pagtaning makababa ng God ang debosyon ni Nuestra Señora de Salvacion sa satuyang mga barangay. Of course, sabi katakod man po kang pagselebrar niya to as a diocese, the image also of Our Lady of Salvation in Horoan will be celebrating its 50th year as the heavenly patroness of the Diocese of Legazpi. No? So, our patrons are Saint Gregory the Great, no? Because he is the patron of our cathedral, no? And of course, Our Lady Mary, Mother of Salvation. No? So, yan ang mga patron kan sa tuyang dioceses. No? And if next year as we celebrate this great jubilee, no, in our diocese, no, on October 20 next year, 2026. Na ulitin ko po, 2026 pa, no, October 20, 2026, magkakaigwaning prosesyon kan mga imahin, kan mga patron kan sa tuyang dioceses. No? So there are how many parishes? 52 parishes, no, sa tuyang dioceses. No? So ayan po, may mamidbidan taman. So, mga kapwa ko albayano and mga taga-dioceses kan Legazpi, no, so we began last Sunday, no, ining pagselebrar ta, pag-andam ta sa dakulang selebrasyon kan sa tuyong diocese, 75 years as a local church of Albay. No? So magayon na po na milestone ini, magsabay kita sa selebrasyon, no, maging aware kita, no. So kasuba ko po so history. Nagkaigwa kita a little lecture on history, kasuba ko kang kaining paano kita naging diocese na nahali sa Archdiocese kan Cáceres, nangaki siya ning duwa, Legazpi and Sorsogon. No, kita niyan, we are 74 years old, turning to a big milestone of being a 75th year bilang sarong diocese. So mga katiwala, salamat po sa indong paghinanyog digdi sa tuyang programa kada hapon, no. Si Father Iao po ini ang nakakaibahan nindo kada Martes. Sangaran po kan sa tuyang President and CEO, Father Neil Aranas, and sa tuyang Station Manager, Kevin Funasher. As in, salamat po pasamat sa tuyang technical staff din niyan. Si Father E.O. Sevilla po ini. Diyos marahay na banggi sa indo mga katiwala.